this is how we jive from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Snapchat to your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or any other version of Samsung phone. Also, make an account with them. In this case, you have to go to Google Play Store. Here we go. I hit this one. In Play Store, at the searching option, you have to type Snapchat. Here we go. We have Snapchat here. Very easy. Hit the install button. It's done. You see they're telling me to open this, but I'm gonna hit home button. Here we have Snapchat. I hit this one. You have login and sign up account. I hit sign up account. If you don't have account, hit sign up. If you already have account, go to the login option, hit continue option, hit allow again. So I put my first and last name here. I hit sign up and accept. They give me one account, Harry Jeffrey 22. I hit continue. I have to choose a password in this case. So this is, you have to have one email address. I hit continue for this purpose. My phone number is detected automatically by the phone. I hit continue. They will send me one code now. The code has arrived. I hit continue. It's done. Now I have Snapchat in my phone. So all these contacts, I have Snapchat if I want to talk with these people and all that. And how we can chat, you can add a friend. You see at the top, add friend. The chat version, you see now I have Snapchat properly. At the bottom, you see the map, chat, camera, story. If you hit this button, you can record yourself. After that, the chatting option, if you want to chat with somebody or something, you touch here. Story, spotlight, somebody who are online at the moment. You see you have some videos of other people who are online or showing off. So this is how you can install Snapchat to your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and not only that, make one account with them. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.